Alright, let's try a cold start here on the 2006 YARDMAN. Can't really tell under the snow, but it's 46-inch deck. Automatic transmission, belt drive. See if this thing will crank over. Has not been ran or started since middle October. It's December 24th, Christmas Eve. Find the key here. Alright. There we go. Choke. About half throttle. See what we get. Bump it up to full throttle. How about that? Hasn't been started since middle October. I can't believe it. Sorry about that, dropped the camera. She cut off because I leaned off the seat. Try this again. There's the deck up, might help. Well, she runs. She's not going nowhere. Oh, that might be the problem. Well, she's not going nowhere, that's for sure. Oh, that might explain it. Snowdrift. Alright, camera keeps stopping for some reason. Let's see what I did. I backed over a ladder. Alright, let me pause this and get this thing unstuck here. Be right back with you. Alright, well I got it off the ladder. Had to cut her off. Try this thing again. Yep. Sorry, I had the finger over the lens. There's my problem. I got this stupid deck on here. getting really fed up with this. I got to put my finger over the lens. Try to get up here and get this deck off of here, and it might go a little bit better without plowing up the snow. Well, I guess this is as good a spot as any. Just to let y'all know, it's idling lower now. It's been on idle the whole time. So, it's a wonderful 20-horse Kohler. Hood's falling off. Alright, get back with you in a few. Okay, got the deck off. That was more work than I planned on. She looks better now. That was too much like work. Gotta tie that stabilizer bar up. Thank goodness for quick detach decks. Let me tie that bar up before I forget. Trusty piece of wire. Alright, got that tied up. Fire up. See what kind of joyride we can do. One. It's always started like that since it was new. I don't know why. Alright, battery's low. I don't know how long this is going to last. That is idle. These idle. Well, now I think we'll do it. There we go. That's also idle. I do believe carburetor needs to be adjusted. If it idles like that for too long, it'll stall. Oh well. Finally got her back where she belongs. That was more headache than it was worth. Tore up the yard a little bit. Cold out here. Oh well. Alright, go upload this and call her quits for the day.